GABA English Class 6, Chapter 15 Resting Hill. An old man and his granddaughter came walking down the country road. As they climbed a small hill where a tall palmyra tree stood, the old man slowed down. Let's rest a minute, he said. He took a green mango from a basket and bit into it. The girl took a mango too. The old man sat down beside the road and pointed to the palmyra tree up on the hill. See that palmyra there, he said. And the way there's a wide dip to the ground, as if a giant rock had fallen there, he asked, chewing quickly. Yes, the girl said, a little impatiently. She was tired of walking so slowly with her grandfather. Do you think that tree's been there forever? No, there was another tree there a long time ago. An elephant had to wait beside it a very long time, you know. Have you heard this one before? The girl did not answer, so the man began his tale. Once there was an old elephant tamer who lived here in the north, near Kumulanai. His name was Vilapanikar and his wife's name was Aryathai. Vilapanikar was once the best elephant tamer in the kingdom. He could tame any elephant because he was very brave and patient. After a long life of elephant taming, he retired and built a house beside this road, a mile from here, and lived a peaceful life gardening with his wife. One morning, Vilapanikar and Aryathai were working in their garden when they heard a terrible crash like thunder. People started screaming, and then another crash followed, and more screaming. The sound were coming from across the paddy field, and Vilapanikar ran out of the garden to see what had happened. It was a giant elephant on the far side of the field. It had knocked down a small house and chased away several farmers who ran splashing into the paddy fields. Their oxen were running as well, hauling plows behind them. In anger, the elephant turned towards a nearby tree and ran forward at full speed. Smashing it, the elephant stood there motionless and started to push against the tree until the tree bent back suddenly and fell over. Its roots were torn out of the ground. Vilapanikar watched all this. He'd never seen an elephant do that before. Coming to his senses, he turned and walked over to the tool shed and pulled out a rope and went out into the fields. As he began to run, a thought came to him, a thought he had never had before. Perhaps this elephant is the one I cannot tame. He stopped and turned back. The grandfather interrupted himself and took a bite of his mango. He chewed it for some time. An untamed elephant which attacks people for no reason, such as this one, did is a Rauj elephant, he said slowly. And as you know, a Rauj elephant is very dangerous, impossible to tame. In those days, it was a custom that an elephant tamer who failed to subdue a Rauj elephant within 30 days was killed.